Whoa. Almost killed myself. Well, good morning. It's a brisk 41 out here. But I was just thinking about the video I posted yesterday about Quartzite and how they're raising their fees. And there's a lot of videos out there talking about this. Let me put this down. But no solution. Just, this is the fee and we're just going to take it. But doing van life kind of rewires your brain and it makes you more of a problem solver, because when you're doing this, there's a lot of problems that come up. Mechanical issues with the van, electrical issues with the van, structural issues with the van. You start to problem solve a lot more than you would living in a conventional apartment or house. So anyways, I was thinking of a solution. Instead of having everyone pay $600 for the stay for the 7 months, the people that are not self-contained, like the video I was talking about yesterday, those people in the cars and the vans and tents that have to stay within the 500-foot range pay the same, $180, because you can't go out and just park anywhere. And the people with the Class A's and the Class C's, the self-contained ones, they get to pay for the $600. I think that might be a better solution than having every single person pay, but not every single person gets to, use the land in the way that the Class A's and the Class C's and the trailers that are self-contained can use the land. Let me know what you guys think about that. Leave it in the comments. Is that a dumb solution? Is it a solution? Is it something, that is a better compromise? Because I think $600 for something that's $180 now, and they're not gonna change anything. They're not gonna make, they're not gonna pave the road in gold. They're not gonna put flushable toilets in. They're not gonna pay the people that are working there. Those people are volunteers mostly. So they're not getting a pay raise. I think what happens with them is they just get a place to stay for free. So that's my solution. Peaceful solution. It's an idea. And let me know what you think. Hear a lot of weird noises out here. Until the next one.